Tonight we are going to make, I think is going to be one of the best desserts that you may have. And what are we making?
We're making cherry cobbler. We're going to start with some butter.
That is a cup of butter.
Softened.
Yep.
And we've got some granulated sugar.
That is 2 cups of granulated sugar.
And we're going to cream these together.
Then you're also going to put some salt in there as well.
And how much salt is this?
That is 1 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, got those 3 things added. So now we're just going to cream it together. We're going to add these eggs one at a time, because this is light and fluffy, and that's what you're looking for, is light and fluffy. So eggs one at a time. So now we've got some vanilla flavoring.
That is a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
I'm going to mix that in. And one of my favorite flavorings to work with, almond.
And that is half a teaspoon of almond.
Almonds and cherries are good friends.
Get all those flavorings out of there.
Okay, so now that's very well mixed together. Okay, now we're going to add the flour a little bit at a time. Basically what this is almost making is a crust.
Oh, and that is our oven. Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now, I should say that we are using a 9x13 pan for this. You can also use a 10x15. All right, this is of course going to rise as it cooks. All right, it's all spread out on the bottom.
All right.
And we're gonna just pour these on straight out of the can. Nothing fancy about this, or this part of it.
It's my favorite thing to eat out of a can.
Now we are using 2 full-size cans. Just spread that out. This end to get shorted any cherries.
No.
Now is it like we're sandwiching the cherry pie filling in between 2 layers?
So we're gonna just drop it, like drop biscuit dough basically.
Gotcha.
And just let it spread so that we'll see, you know, some cherries peeking through.
All right, here we go. Now we're just going to drop little dollops right on top.
And as it cooks, this of course is gonna spread.
It's almost, if you've seen it, it's like our chicken cobbler or our cheddar bay biscuit pot pie. And that's how you do it. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Like I said, we've preheated that oven to 350 degrees. And how long are we going to bake this?
30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is golden and the dough is cooked through.
All right, well, we've put that in the oven. We're going to let that bake, and then we will be back when it's time to pull it out. All right, it has been a few minutes. We did have to go over the 35-minute mark by just a little bit because ovens do vary, so be sure to test. And here's what we got. That nice brown on the sides. You see that shortbread did melt and spread out some. And you've got a beautiful picture of the cherries just coming through there. So we're gonna let this cool completely. So like and subscribe so you never miss a video from Ghost Toast Kitchen.
Bye.